Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and if you're watching here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. So today we are making tisrio sukke or clams masala as we say. I'm going to show you how to clean them. So basically you take the clams and just twist them and you leave the shell with the meat on and discard the empty one. You can see that all my clams have opened up. An easy hack to do this is to just leave the clams overnight in the freezer. Next morning you take them out and keep them for about an hour and they will all open up. Some may be empty, just discard them. If you want to make them freshly when you get them, the best way to do the same for the clams to open is to just steam them in a bit of water, so the steam will open them up, and then you can just separate them like this. Then you can see all the cleaned ones are here, so we keep them aside and they're ready to be used now. I've also retained the water from the clams, so I will keep that. Then in a deep bottom vessel, I heat some oil, and then once the oil is hot enough, we will add our chopped onion. So add the onion to it and then just saute the onion well. Give it a good mix. And once that's done, we will go in with a chopped tomato. So at this stage, you add the tomato in. I have mentioned all the ingredients for you in the description box, so don't worry about that. Once this is done, we give it a good mix again. And then we will add our ginger paste and the garlic paste. I just like how easy this recipe is to make with super simple ingredients and yet absolutely tasty. So we will add the ginger garlic paste like I said, and then we will also add our powdered spices. So we will begin with the turmeric, and after the turmeric powder is added, I'm also going to add to it some garam masala, and then I'm going to add some cumin powder. If you prefer whole cumin, you can add whole cumin, but I just prefer the powdered one here because I don't like the whole cumin taste in this particular recipe. So I will add cumin powder, but you can add whole cumin if that's what you like. That's totally fine. We also can add salt at this stage, but I generally like to keep the salt for the last because we are going to add the clam water, you will see, and it's quite salty in itself. So what I do is I just add the powdered spices and give it all a good mix. Once it's all mixed well and the spices release the aromas, I'm then going to add the green chilies. So at this stage, I'm adding the chopped green chilies. If you don't like it too spicy, you can add just one. I've added two. Or you can just stick to Kashmiri chili powder, that's less spicy. I've given that option in the description box for you. Then we finally go in with our clams. So add the cleaned clams and mix it all well so the spices and the clams combine and mix well into each other. You just want the spices to really get into the clams. And once you have given this a good mix, we finally are going to add the clam water that we had retained. Because this is a tisrio sukke recipe, that means it's dry masala. We don't add any additional water. We just add a bit of the clam water. You can drain the water so that you don't add any of the residue. So we just add the clam water, and then I'm going to go in with my coconut. So if you have freshly grated coconut, that's actually preferable. But here I'm using desiccated coconut, which acts fine as well. So a handful of it does good. So just add a handful of freshly grated coconut or desiccated coconut, doesn't really make a huge difference in taste. So you add that, and then I'm going in with my kokum peels. So that's added in. It just gives that a nice, tangy flavor, tangy, spicy, and absolutely yummy. I just like the combination of the flavors here. If you don't have kokum, you can also use tamarind. That's another option, but I had kokum here. And then give it all a good mix and you cover and let it cook. So basically with clams, they don't take really long to cook. It's about 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, we check on it. And you can see it's almost done. At this stage, I will check for salt because clams, the water already is quite salty. So we add just a bit of salt and then let it cook for a few more minutes, and it's then ready to serve. So you can garnish it with freshly chopped coriander or green chilies like I've done here, and it can be served with rice or with bread, and it's ready to go. It's that easy to make. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Bye.